Привет! I'm guessing you recently decided to start learning Russian and chose to begin with the alphabet. Great choice! In this lesson, I will say the names of the letters in the Russian alphabet slowly with a small pause after each one. Repeat after me.
А, Б, Б, В, В, Г, Г, Д, Д, Е, Е, Ё, Ё, Ж, Ж, З, З, И краткое, И краткое, К, К, Л, Л, М, М, Н, Н, О, П, П, Р, Р, С, С, Т, Т, У, Ф, Ф, Х, Х, Ц, Ц, Ч, Ч, Ш, Ш, Щ, Щ, твердый знак, твердый знак, Ü, мягкий знак, мягкий знак, Ю, Я.
Thank you for watching this video. Give it a like if you enjoyed it. Check out my longer video where I speak about each letter individually, speak about Russian sounds and also explain how to pronounce syllables and words. I also have a playlist with lessons for beginners. See you soon! Увидимся! Пока-пока!